yourself?
Grocery store. Hey, look. It's Mommy. Mommy.
Mommy's outside or something. Just for Mom.
We're in Sobeys. We're in Sobeys.
That's a big jar of...
That's disgusting. This is like a vlog. What's a vlog? I don't know. It's a vlog. We got pizza!
A log vlog. We're having pizza for Christmas Eve.
Pick a dip. Which dip should we get? I don't know. They have like no good dips, Mom. Where's my hella big dip? Oh, it's all gone. Shit. No, there's like nothing.
Onion?
Yes. Onion.
Boring video if you're just gonna walk around
I know.
the store and not talk.
What are we? Chippies. Can we get sour cream and bacon?
We get chips at home up in the cupboard, don't we?
Yeah, but you said we were buying chips.
You want to take a talk?
Yeah.